One of the last projects at Casa del Bosque was to produce a rosé. We grow quite some Pinot Noir, and the aim was to make a fresh, light wine that can be enjoyed, especially in this sunny, beautiful weather, sitting on the beach, having a picnic or with salads. We tried to keep it simple, so the grapes were pressed, fermented in oak barrels, and then almost immediately bottled to capture all the cherry, strawberry, and even some honey touches that the wine displays.